Show. Here we bring you stories that inspire, teach, and entertain. Learning English can be fun and exciting. By listening to stories, repeating actions, and practicing speaking, you can learn fluently and confidently. Let's make English easy together. Today, we're diving into the powerful book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book is not just about becoming wealthy, it's about achieving success in all areas of life. Let's summarize it in simple words, learn some new vocabulary, and dive into an inspiring story. Story summary. Think and Grow Rich teaches us how to think positively and take action to achieve our dreams. Napoleon Hill interviewed hundreds of successful people and discovered 13 principles for success. Let's explore them. 1. Desire. Have a strong wish for what you want. Success starts with wanting something so much that you can feel it in your heart. 2. Faith. Believe in yourself. If you think you can succeed, you're already halfway there. 3. Auto-suggestion. Speak positively to yourself every day. Words have power. 4. Specialized knowledge. Learn something deeply. Become an expert in what you love. 5. Imagination. Use your mind to create ideas and solve problems. Dream big. 6. Organized planning. Make a clear plan for how to reach your goals. 7. Decision. Decide quickly and stick to it. Don't let doubt stop you. 8. Persistence. Never give up, even when things get hard. 9. Mastermind group. Surround yourself with people who help and support you. 10. The subconscious mind. Feed your mind with positive thoughts. 11. The brain. Keep learning and thinking. Your brain is your greatest tool. 12. The sixth sense. Trust your intuition. Sometimes your heart knows the way. 13. Overcoming fear. Don't let fear stop you. Be brave and take action. The main lesson of the book is success starts in the mind. If you think rich, act rich, and work hard, you can achieve anything you desire. A detailed story. Emma's journey to success. Emma was a young woman with a dream of starting her own bakery. She loved baking cakes and cookies, and her friends always told her she had a special talent. But Emma was afraid. She thought, what if I fail? What if no one likes my cakes? One cold evening, while scrolling through her phone, Emma came across a quote, "Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." It was from the book, Think and Grow Rich. Intrigued, Emma downloaded the book and began reading it that same night. Each page filled her with hope and determination. Step 1. Writing her desire. The first thing Emma did was write down her desire. She took a clean sheet of paper and wrote, "I want to open the best bakery in town within 1 year. I will serve delicious cakes and make people happy." She placed this paper on her mirror so she could see it every day. Step 2. Building faith. Emma knew she had to believe in herself. Every morning she looked at the paper and said aloud, "I will open my bakery. I believe in myself." At first, it felt silly, but over time, these words gave her confidence. She started imagining herself in a cozy bakery, serving happy customers. Step 3. Gaining knowledge. Next, Emma focused on learning. She enrolled in an online baking course and spent hours perfecting her recipes. She also read books about starting a business. One evening, she attended a webinar about marketing. The speaker said, "Your passion is your strength. Share your story, and people will connect with you." This advice stayed with her. Step 4. Facing challenges. Emma's first challenge came when she tried to rent a small shop. The rent was too high and her savings weren't enough. For a moment, she felt defeated, but then she remembered the principle of persistence. She decided to start small. Emma began baking from her kitchen and selling her treats online. She created an Instagram page called Emma's Delightful Bakes and shared pictures of her cakes. Another challenge came when she received negative comments from a few customers. Emma was hurt but decided to turn criticism into learning. She politely asked for feedback and improved her recipes. Slowly, her reviews became more positive and her confidence grew. Step 5. Building a mastermind group. Emma realized she couldn't do everything alone. She joined a local business group where entrepreneurs shared ideas. She met Maria, a florist, and Raj, a coffee shop owner. They encouraged Emma and gave her valuable advice. Maria suggested collaborating, and soon Emma's cakes were being sold at Raj's coffee shop. Step 6. Expanding her vision. As Emma's business grew, So did her dreams. She imagined a bakery with warm lights, the smell of fresh cookies, and a corner where children could decorate cupcakes. She created a vision board with pictures of her dream bakery. Every time she felt tired, she looked at the board and felt motivated. Step 7. Overcoming fear. One day, Emma was invited to speak at a community event about her journey. She was terrified. What if I forget my words? What if people laugh? She thought. But she remembered Hill's words. Fear is just a state of mind. Emma practiced her speech and delivered it with confidence. To her surprise, the audience loved it. Step 8. Achieving success. After a year of hard work, Emma saved enough money to rent a shop. On the day of the grand opening, she felt a mix of excitement and nervousness. Her bakery, Emma's Delightful Bakes, was finally a reality. Step 9. Giving back. With her bakery thriving, Emma decided to give back. She started hosting free baking classes for kids every weekend. She also donated a portion of her profits to local charities. Emma's bakery became more than a business, it became a community hub. Step 10. Reflecting on growth. Emma often reflected on her journey. She learned that success was about believing in herself, building relationships, and staying committed to her vision. Step 11. Dreaming bigger. Years later, Emma realized she could do more. She opened a second bakery in a nearby town and began mentoring other small business owners. Emma also wrote a book sharing her recipes and her journey, inspiring others to follow their dreams. She even started an online baking academy to teach people worldwide. Emma proved that success doesn't stop. It grows when you share it with others. Step 12. Spreading inspiration. Emma's bakery quickly became a popular spot in her town, attracting customers who loved her delicious treats and warm atmosphere. But Emma felt her journey wasn't just about baking. She wanted to inspire others to pursue their dreams, just like she did. One day, Emma hosted a free seminar titled Bake Your Dreams into Reality. During the event, she shared her story, the challenges she faced, and how she overcame them. Attendees left inspired, and many started to think about their own aspirations. Emma also began mentoring young entrepreneurs, offering advice on starting small, staying consistent, and handling setbacks. Success is not just about what you achieve, she often said. It's about what you help others achieve too. Step 13. Embracing technology. As her business expanded, Emma realized the importance of adapting to new trends. She launched an app where customers could place orders, learn baking tips, and even attend virtual classes. The app, Bake with Emma, became a hit, reaching people far beyond her local town. Emma also started a YouTube channel where she shared baking tutorials, motivational talks, and behind-the-scenes footage of her bakery. Her videos inspired viewers to believe in themselves and turn their hobbies into successful ventures. Step 4. Facing unexpected challenges. Life threw Emma another curveball when a large chain bakery opened nearby. Initially, she felt worried about losing customers, but instead of competing on price, Emma focused on offering unique, high-quality experiences. She introduced personalized services like custom cake designs and workshops where families could bake together. Emma's bakery became known not just for its delicious treats, but for its warm, personal touch. Step 15. Partnering for growth. Recognizing the power of collaboration, Emma partnered with local farms to source fresh, organic ingredients. She proudly displayed the story of each ingredient in her bakery, strengthening her connection with the community. Emma also collaborated with schools to host educational baking sessions for students, teaching them the science behind baking while encouraging creativity. These initiatives earned her widespread respect and deepened her bakery's roots in the community. Step 16. Creating a legacy. Emma's success story reached a wider audience when she was invited to speak at national conferences and write columns for business magazines. Her message was always the same: dream big, work hard, and lift others as you climb. Inspired by her journey, many people began their own businesses, often seeking Emma's guidance. She was thrilled to see her story creating a ripple effect of positivity and success. Step 17. Opening a baking academy. To give back on a larger scale, Emma opened a baking academy. The academy offered affordable courses in baking and entrepreneurship, aiming to empower individuals to build their own paths to success. Students from all walks of life joined the academy, from stay-at-home parents looking to turn their passion into profit to young people seeking career opportunities. Emma's academy became a beacon of hope and opportunity. Step 18, global recognition. Emma's efforts didn't go unnoticed. She was featured in major newspapers and invited to international forums to share her insights. She received awards for her contributions to her community and her innovative approach to business. Despite her global recognition, Emma stayed humble. She often said, "Every award belongs to the people who believed in me, supported me, and shared this journey with me." Step 19, the dream beyond dreams. Years later, Emma's bakery became a chain with locations across the country. Her academy trained thousands of students, and her app connected millions of users worldwide. Emma's dream had grown beyond her wildest imagination, but she never forgot her roots. The small kitchen where it all began, her early struggles, and the principles of Think and Grow Rich that guided her. Final reflections. As Emma sat in her flagship bakery watching customers enjoy her creations, she felt immense gratitude. Her journey was proof that success starts in the mind but blossoms through action, persistence, and community. Emma smiled, knowing her story wasn't just hers, it was a story of anyone who dared to dream and take the first step. Call to action for learners. Emma's journey reminds us that growth is a continuous process. Think about your own dreams. What is one small step you can take today to get goals? How can you turn challenges into opportunities? Who can you reach out to for support? Write down your answers, speak them aloud, and believe in yourself. Remember, success is within your reach. Let's grow and learn together, one story at a time. Moral of the story, Emma's journey teaches us an important lesson. Success is a combination of dreaming big, believing in yourself, and taking consistent action. Challenges are part of the journey, but with persistence and support, anything is possible. Growth happens when we step out of our comfort zone and trust in our abilities and their meanings. Mentoring, helping and guiding someone to learn or grow. Criticism, expressing disapproval of something. Passion, a strong feeling of enthusiasm or love for something. Vision board, a visual representation of goals and dreams. Determination, the ability to keep trying no matter the obstacles. Overcome, to succeed in dealing with a problem or difficulty. Confidence, a feeling of trust in your abilities. Persist, to continue doing something even when it's hard. Expand, to make something bigger or more successful. Achieve, to reach a goal or succeed in doing something. Thank you for watching today's story. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel @English Stories Show. Practice the new words by speaking and writing. Don't just listen, act, speak, and make these words your own. Let's grow together as we learn English. See you next time.